Hello guys, start with the name of Almighty Allah. Today our topic is find x power 5 plus 8 divide x plus 1, the rational expression if x square plus x equals to 1. For this we have two methods. First, solve for x, or the second one is look for the easier alternate approach, and I will use look for the easier alternate approach, means I will go with this method. So let's start. And let's say x square plus x equals to 1 as equation 1. Put the x on right hand side, then x square is equals to 1 minus x, and let's say this is equation 2. The most important thing is focus on x power 5. First we have to find the value of x power 5. So for this I will take square on both sides. So take square on both sides, so x square whole square equals to 1 minus x square. So on the left hand side, focus on the left hand side, I will use power rule, which is x exponent m into n equals to x exponent m and n. Means the both powers or exponent will be multiplied. So the left hand side will become x power 4 is equals to, and on the right hand side I will use the most famous identity, which is a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the right hand side will become 1 minus 2x plus x square, and here x square, so I will replace this x square by 1 minus x. So our equation will become x power 4 equals to 1 minus 2x plus 1 minus x. Now combine the like terms, which is 1 plus 1 is 2, and minus 2x minus x is 3x. Okay, now to make x exponent 4 to the x exponent 5, now we will multiply x on both sides. So multiply x on both sides, then x exponent 4 into x equals to x into 2 minus 3x. Then this will become x power 5 is equals to x multiplied by 2 is 2x, and x is multiplied by minus 3x is minus 3x square. Here you can see that again we have x square, and we will replace by 1 minus x. So I will put here 1 minus x. So this will become x exponent 5 equals to 2x minus 3 into 1 minus x. Okay, now multiply 3. Inside the bracket, this will become 2x minus 3 and minus minus plus 3x. Again combine the like terms, which is 2x plus 3x. Then we have the value of x exponent 5, which is 5x minus 3, and let's say this is equation 3. Now I will write the required rational expression, which is x exponent 5 plus 8 divide x plus 1. Here x exponent 5 plus 8 divide x plus 1. So replace x exponent 5 by 5x minus 3. This will become 5x minus 3 plus 8 divide x plus 1. And from here you can see that minus 3x plus 8 is equals to 5x plus 5 divide x plus 1. Okay, now take the same term, same factor, which is 5. So when you will take 5 as common, then we have x plus 1 divide x plus 1, and x plus 1 will be cancelled with x plus 1 and we have just 5. Means your answer will be 5.